ever wanted to use your alternative WhatsApp to make money? Not straight here. I'm actually not saying your main WhatsApp, I'm meaning your alternative WhatsApp. Then watch to the end of this video. As in the video, I'll be showing to you guys the top platforms to connect your alternative WhatsApp and earn cash in return. So let's get into the video. The first one on the list is always LetShare. Like, because LetShare gives me 2,000 naira per day. That's 2,000 naira per day for just connecting 5 accounts, as you can see here. 5 accounts connected and I earn 2,000 a day. So LetShare is a platform in which you have bonuses. So there's a bonus I just finished doing on this account. So is for how long your WhatsApp is logged in. If your WhatsApp is logged in for 24 hours plus, you will get bonuses. But once the bonus line, just like this login for WhatsApp, is that's where the second bonus is. Once it's gone, that means that's all. You earn like 850 naira plus when you finish it. So LetShare has been paying for a while, and one thing about LetShare is that your account don't get banned. Like, I connected my WhatsApp for a while and it didn't get banned, and I also connected the same set of WhatsApp to the same set of platforms I'm listening to this video. So stick around to the end to see all the platforms which you can connect your alternative WhatsApp and start earning cash daily. It's not actually a lot though, but at least it does something. So now you can go over here and let me go to withdrawal details so that you can see my first 2,000 naira was yesterday, and then today I'm applying for that 2,000 naira. Then when you connect your account for 24 hours on LetShare, you get a chance to spin the wheel, and their luck is better than other platforms. Like, the luck on the spin is better, because I've won 900 naira many times from this spin, which helps in making me withdraw like daily from LetShare. So let's go. The second platform on this video is going to be WH Jobs. So WH Jobs has been around for a while, though they pay a lot, but not that much as LetShare. So WH Job can earn you steady 300 naira, 300 to 500 naira, or even 1,000 naira, depends on how many accounts you connect. It can earn you steady. As of me right now, I'm earning steady 300 naira per day from WH Jobs. So if you go back to my start dash, you notice that I don't have the number of accounts connected here because of WA Jobs keeps on logging out. But you can try connecting. Note, if you don't know how to connect your WhatsApp to any of this platform, leave a comment in the description box below. I'll try to respond to it or make a video and share you the link so that you learn how to connect your WhatsApp to all of the platform. Then, as you can notice in my account withdrawal, sorry, not account withdrawal order, you can notice that, yeah, I've actually just withdrawn a few times on this platform because I just started doing it. Then next platform on the list is going to be ATM05. So ATM05 is just a newly released platform. It launched like 2 days ago, and they are offering a bonus. So if you're able to refer 5 users under your referral link, you will earn a bonus of 20,000 points, which is equivalent to soft 6k. So use the link in the description. All the platform links are always in the description below. You can notice in my income details, or now income details, apologies, my withdrawal orders, the platform just launched, so it was this morning I placed the withdrawal. This morning? No, yes, yeah, it was this morning I placed the withdrawal. So it actually sent me the money. I will be putting all of the details on the screen so that you see that these platforms are paying. So basically right now I have 660 points. Note, for WA Jobs, ATM05, LetShare, apart from LetShare, the two others are listed. Their minimum withdrawal is 1,000 points plus the service fee on top. Why LetShare minimum withdrawal is 2,200. 200 naira is the withdrawal fee, and then you'll send the 2,000 naira to your bank. Next platform has to be 22 Job. So yeah, 22 Job pays. Like, 22 Job is the one that is earning me 600 naira per day. Note, if you combine all of this money, that means you'll be earning 3,000 naira by connecting your alternative WhatsApp account. 3,000 naira per day. If you do the calculation for 10 days, you earn 3,000 naira per day or more. It depends on how many WhatsApp you have. So in the new video that I will share soon, probably today evening, I will show you guys which dual space, that's which WhatsApp cloner I use that works well for me, so that you can clone as many WhatsApp you have, so that you can continue adding more numbers to make money on this platform. So any 3,000 naira per day, that means in 10 days you have earned 30,000 naira. These updates are simple to join. All of them link are in the description below. So I guess you have come. Okay, so and then I'm removing AFATM from the list because AFATM causes WhatsApp ban and they use your WhatsApp to scam people. So AFATM is getting removed from the list. If you connected your WhatsApp there, go and disconnect it so that your WhatsApp will not get banned. But if you still want to connect it, you can still do. So all the platform links will be in the description box below. Then also our WhatsApp group link will be in the description box. Also, you can join that our WhatsApp group where we share updates, like we shared the treat update. Like let's say on Sunday in the afternoon, and yesterday we pay people soft $30. So if you want to get updates like that, join our WhatsApp group which is in the description below. We have admins there. You send message to either of the admins and they will help you once they're online. And thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click on the subscription box below and the notification bell to get notified when we drop new fantastic money making content. Then you can also leave a like on the video to help the algorithm share this video to more people that would like to make money. Then also you can comment down below if you have any issue or join our WhatsApp group, which is also easier. So see you in the next video. Bye.